Barbecues. This is Gingerine, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. So, in the last episode, we died a lot, which is hard to do in this game. But I mean, I guess it's not that hard. If you fall in the water, you die. But it's just a ridiculous amount of times. I have to apologize for how bad I am apparently at the easiest game in the world. Anyway, we're going to put some slimes in here. I don't know if we're going to put all 20 of them in there. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god.
Don't put a lot in there.
No? And then I'm going to feed them. And then...
Give them all your food.
I'm giving them all my food.
So they don't try to jump out.
And then I want their poop. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, I got the basics. I think I've got it.
Hey, Mom, see if you can get the high walls. Eat that.
But I don't really care if they stay in there.
Look, get the high wall so you can get a tabby.
Okay.
Tabbies are hard to get. And see if you can get the air net.
No, not yet.
The music box doesn't really work. It's supposed to calm him down, but it doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
Nope. Mom, throw a tabby slime in there.
Larva slimes are large slime hybrids formed when a slime eats a plort unlike its own. But did they eat everything? No. I'm gonna put in these other ones. So they'll eat all that stuff so then I can just go and inhale everything. Eat them. Okay, one carrot. Oh no, there's pogo fruit in there too. Eat that carrot. Eat the carrot. Yay! Oh, I have to be in here.
No, you don't. They'll just
Come to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
What?
Oh, I could put them back. Okay, I'll put these guys back. I like that I don't have to click for 20 times. I just kind of hold.
And you can get a jetpack.
I'm very excited for the jetpack.
But you don't need a jetpack. You can just have slimes.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's true.
Oh. Nope, can't go in there.
That's 1,700 and something.
Oh yeah? I should have looked at it and seen what it was instead of just running away. Okay, I definitely want some tabby plorts. I don't necessarily want, like...
A tabby?
Yeah, because I want to make a largo. Just make the... And I like to do all of my hybrids with pink ones because you can feed the pink ones anything instead of having to feed them either meat or veggies or whatever their particular favorites are.
Hey Mom, but they would only have one favorite, and that one favorite might be really hard to get, and you might not be able to make a farm, but you accidentally give it to them, and then you have to get another, which that will be very...
Go away!
Get out of my way! You just shot a plort at it.
I did?
Yes!
Oh.
Look on the ground!
Don't tell me what to do. Oh, you're a slime. I don't want you. Where are the tabby slimes? I don't see any tabby
They're
slimes.
over there!
Okay, they're over here?
Yes!
Oh, okay, so we're gonna go over here and find the tabby slimes. Hi, there's a tabby largo.
How about you just grab those and feed it anything?
They just ate all of them, so maybe I won't get rid of my hen.
Hold it!
Oh, hello. Did you?
Mom,
Yeah, now I should be able to get tabby poo. Cool.
how about you get a largo in there and then feed it something?
Just doesn't feel like breeding. Kind of feels like cheating. Oh, jeez.
It still is.
Is there more tabby plorts? Okay, so I'm full on these things.
So,
So where are the tabby plorts? What?
Mom, I have a suggestion for you.
Oh gosh. What?
If you have a honey slime, make sure no other slime can see it.
Can see a Hummy Slime? Oh wait, I want to try.
Any other slime, because their ports,
Oh, I want to go this way.
all of the slimes, if they see it, they will literally be trying to climb the walls.
Really?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Honey ports.
Why for is it that way? So, if I just poop this one in there, and then I put in some food, eventually we'll have many more Largos. Yep, there we go! There it is. Alright, let's go sell these plorts, and then we can,
There's plenty of them. That's weird.
then we can buy the airnet, probably. Yes, we can get the airnet now.
Oh yay, now you can keep this tabby slime used in.
Yeah.
Oh, and Mom?
Okay, so we need to feed these stupid things. Now, what was that thing over here that we ran into? Oh, Kelly!
That was an accident.
I know it was. Oh, wait, what? What's over here?
This is where I found the lab.
The lab?
Yeah.
E. The lab allows you to begin your career as an amateur, unlicensed slime scientist. Well, I don't need to start my career quite yet.
And also it's more expensive and it has less things in here.
Oh, the caves, the grotto, a dark, gloomy cavern above the sea, and a likely first chapter to that novel of yours. Oh, that's great. Okay.
But it's also a good place to have. You know what? I'm gonna wait. I want it to turn night really quickly.
Well, well, I guess we'll just keep our pink
Like
slimes.
a snap.
Oh, hey, food. This food respawns quickly. That's good.
Food.
Oh, thank goodness. There's just food all the time.
Pogo.
Marco. Pogo. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Bad jokes. Okay, let's see here. Oh, ooh. Oh! Oh God! Why?
Why 4?
Why 4? I just want a carrot! Run away!
I want to tell you something.
What?
Not you. People who are watching.
Not me. Not me, guys. He does not want to talk to me.
I do. It's
just in case. I thought for a second that he wanted to talk to me. I've been put in my place. He does not wish to
You're making it a
communicate.
bigger deal than it is.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
He thinks that I make big deals out of nothing. I mean, my God. Really? Like, ah! Okay, sorry. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say it to them, the people who are watching.
Oh, okay. Well,
Sometimes when she says why 4, she says why 4, Batman.
I do say why for Batman. I do say that. I don't even know why. I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know where that started. But,
Whoa!
I'm just gonna go back because I gotta feed my other people so that I can get more.
No, stay there!
Why?
Get rid of your pogo fruit!
Why?
Slimes!
I can't have nighttime slimes anyway. Okay, I'll get rid of my slimes. I'll get rid of my pink slimes. And that pretty little perfect line. Oh, they're safe and happy over there. Okay. Oh,
If you put a tabby port, sometimes because I don't want.
oh God, no! Don't do that.
No, you can. You
Nope,
can.
I don't want to, because then I die.
No.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Look at the pink one.
Uh-oh, there's tabbies. Uh-oh. You know what that means, right?
What?
That means there's gonna be tars. Oh my God!
Oh my God, I wanted so
I've
bad.
never seen one of those before.
Oh, yeah, you have.
A tabby, a fluorescent tabby? I
Yeah,
don't think I have.
Yeah, you've seen a phosphorus tabby at my farm, remember?
Oh, no, I didn't remember that.
Oh yeah, because it was in Grotto and they didn't go. Oh my God, Mom, it's a lucky swan.
What does that mean? What do I do with it? Do I feed it?
Feed it.
Oh. Well,
Maybe stand a bit away. Oh no, the
sorry.
lucky swan.
I didn't have any hen-hens with me.
Wait, they eat me?
Yeah, it was a kitty cat one. Ah!
Wait,
Yes.
it's nothing.
It's nothing?
How about you turn around and go forward as much as you can?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Oh, here's another thing from the... Oh, God. No. Another thing from the guy. Should we read it now or come back later? Let's read it now. Okay. E. I had a great... Oh, I can't remember his voice. I had a great big tree like this here on the edge of my property back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. Wasn't anything unnatural. It was just its time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like that tree. I'd spend my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let that happen, so I bought a ticket for the far, far range the very next day. Oh, it's a nice story. Thanks.
I like the accent.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Not really.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna get, oh no, I have a pink slime.
Actually, I hate it.
Yay! I have a Tammy slime. And now I have something to read in the Slimopedia. What is this supposed to be? Are there gonna be things here at some point?
No, it's just crystals.
Oh,
Hey, Mom, Mom, turn around.
Why?
Just keep going forward.
Oh, God.
You could have.
You're so mean. Oh, no. Am I trapped down here now?
No, there's stairs.
There are.
Yes.
Let's... Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh.
That was close.
I'm not good at things. I'm bad at things.
Feed them all of your food.
I am not going to do that.
Okay, spare some food, but feed them some food.
Gordo diet everything. No! I'm not feeding you everything yet. Not yet.
Feed him at least one thing.
Alright.
He hasn't eaten anything. Don't feed him a tabby slime.
Okay, let's see if we can get back up somehow.
Why would you feed him a tabby slime?
I wasn't going to!
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't!
Yeah.
You don't know anything about me.
Ac-
You don't know me!
Actually, I know a lot about you.
Yeah, you do. You know everything.
No.
Well, I guess that's true.
I don't know what you're... Actually, I do. It's purple.
My favorite color?
Yeah.
It's not purple.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
You'd rather have everything purple. What's with that?
What's with that? I don't think that's true, though. I don't think that's true. All right, let's throw this guy in there, just cause, and then let's throw in these.
Bang.
And then we'll put these in there too. Yep.
The thing I don't like about pink slimes is they have no favorite food.
Right, that's true. So you don't get double plort. Right.
If you make
Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Gosh.
Oh god.
Oh, I don't have any more room for plorts, for pink plort, so I have to go up here and sell it. It's a real shame. Do they still have the overgrowth? So can I still?
You can't get the overgrowth.
I can't get the overgrowth. No, I mean, does it still exist?
Yes, it's right near you.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it's the other side of the garden. It's the first one you just ran into.
Damn it. Oh no!
Oh god! Oh god!
We're going back in here, little man. Or little lady.
I just throw them in.
How do I not have any tabby plorts? Oh, I'm full of pink plort. That explains it. Come here.
No.
Come here, yo. I'm full of pink plort. I can't pick up anymore, but why isn't there any tabby plorts?
You just missed one.
There's only one? How is there only one, though? I guess there was only one tabby in there until a minute ago. I think we probably have enough slimes in there, too. I could probably let some of these slimes go in the morning. Please come with me. Please. Without any trouble. Oh,
My
God.
slimes, my slimes, I think are very happy.
Yeah?
They have unlimited favorite food every day
Yeah? Oh my gosh.
and
Oh
all
my
day.
gosh. Okay. Alright. Alright. Aha!
But they don't relax.
No? Okay.
Yes,
Sell these.
Mom,
Okay.
Mom, go buy something from it.
No, I want to get the overgrowth next. So I don't have to go looking for food all the time.
But you get easier plort, but plorts will be easier to get if you get what I want you to get.
Okay. Well, we'll go look at it. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. What? Water tank? Jetpack?
No, not from that.
No? Not? What do you mean, then?
An upgrade.
Isn't this the upgrade?
No, not
those are just the
jetpack.
backpack upgrades. Where's the other upgrade thing?
In there,
Where?
right? The slime upgrader.
This thing?
That's a trader.
Oh, this thing?
No, it's where you keep your slimes.
Oh, it's where I keep... Oh. You mean in the pen?
No, not in the pen. Right there.
This, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. The plort collector?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright, we got it. We got it. Okay, that about wraps it up for this episode. Next episode, we're gonna try and get the overgrowth, which means we'll be farming lots of pink plorts and feeding these cute little guys, and then it'll be easier to feed them and whatnot. So, all right, everybody, we'll see you next time. Bye.